Hi girls, I've been loving picots and popcorn stitches a lot lately. I hope you are not tired of these patterns. So meet my new crochet moon top. It's a very simple pattern and you can make it in any size. Main pattern. Measure the fullest part of your chest and crochet foundation DC multiply of 2. I crocheted 100 DC. Join with slip stitch to the first DC. The first round. Chain 5. Double triple crochet in each DC around. Join with slip stitch to top of chain 5. The second round. Chain 1, single crochet in next 2 double triple crochet in the front loop only. Picot. Repeat the steps to the end of the round. Join with slip stitch to the first stitch. The third round. Chain 5, double triple crochet in each double triple crochet in each double triple crochet in the back loop only to the end of the round. Join with slip stitch to top of chain 5. Repeat around 2 and 3 until you reach the desired length. I crocheted 6 rounds of picots. The last round is a round of DC. Mark the places for the shoulder straps, join the thread and repeat the main pattern, but work in the rows. The number of stitches between two shoulder straps is 18 DC, front part, armholes 12 DC. The number of stitches between two shoulder straps is 16 DC is the back part. The first row, chain 5, double triple crochet in next 8 DC. The second round, chain 1, turn, single crochet in next 2, double triple crochet in the back loop only, picot, repeat it to the end of the row. Row 3, chain 5, turn, double triple crochet in each double triple crochet in the back loop only to the end of the row. Repeat rows 2 and 3 7 times. Connect the shoulder strap to the back part by slip stitches. edge. Make a row of triple picots around the neckline, armholes and bottom. Single crochet in next 4 stitches. Triple picot. Repeat the steps to the end of the round and join with slip stitch to the first single crochet in the end of the round. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and bye!